Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If you've ever wanted to do this to a photograph and have the people in black and white or grayscale and the one item color, it's really a pretty simple trick. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this and move it over in case I mess it up. I've set my nudge factor on 8 inches. My picture is less than 7. I'm going to make a duplicate of that by hitting the plus key on the keyboard. And I'm going to take this one and I'm going to convert it to a grayscale mode. All we have to do is change it to a grayscale. Now I'm going to take this photograph and I'm going to go to bitmap and I am going to low quality trace it. Low quality image takes just a second. It's already done it. I'm actually going to raise the detail. So you have to click on the item. Whoop, I moved it a little bit, so I want to move it back. Click on the item, go to bitmap. I'm not going to convert it to a bitmap. I'm just going to low quality image, but I'm going to make the detail higher, like 100%. And it's done. So I'm going to move that down now, and I'm going to go to object, group, and ungroup it. And then what I want to do is just get the flower out there. Anything that's kind of pinkish looking color. I'm pretty sure I've already ungrouped it. Yes. Now I'm going to nudge that over. So I'm going to nudge over anything that's got a little bit of pink in it. All these colors that got a little bit of pink in it. Because that's really kind of like the flower, or part of the flower. But this is a bitmap and you really couldn't do anything else with it. We could take that, even though it doesn't have much pink in it. And we're going to call that good, and there's our flower. I'm going to take the boundary tool, and I'm going to put a boundary around it. Now I'm actually going to nudge it over twice so we can see it. I'm going to fill it in with blue just for grins. And here is our grayscale copy, so I'm going to nudge it over there, put it up where that flower is. Hope this isn't too confusing. And I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to go back minus front. It took the flower out. Now we're going to move this over to our color picture, and look at that. Now the black and white picture, and it's going to be a little fuzzy, but the entire picture is fuzzy. That would probably print pretty cool. So when it makes the picture pop, and you could actually do the same thing with the heart. We would have wanted to take the heart out. Of course, I think just one object is fine. And you could probably actually draw a heart and put it on that card. But that's a pretty cool effect. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.